Millions of seniors over 65 are unknowingly paying hundreds of dollars for airline services they're legally entitled to receive completely free. While airlines collect billions in unnecessary fees from uninformed passengers, federal regulations actually mandate 21 specific services that must be provided at no charge to senior travelers. The problem is that 90% of seniors never ask for these services because they simply don't know they exist. This investigation reveals every single free service seniors are entitled to and exposes why airlines deliberately keep this information hidden from their most vulnerable passengers. The airline industry has systematically trained passengers to expect poor service and high fees, but federal aviation regulations tell a completely different story. The Air Carrier Access Act and Department of Transportation guidelines mandate dozens of free services specifically designed to assist senior travelers. However, airlines have developed sophisticated strategies to avoid mentioning these services unless directly requested by informed passengers. Industry insiders reveal that airline staff receive comprehensive training that emphasizes selling premium services first, with free alternatives mentioned only when passengers specifically ask using precise terminology. This deliberate approach generates billions in revenue from services that should be provided at no charge. The following investigation exposes all 21 services that seniors are legally entitled to receive free, along with the specific strategies airlines use to hide this information. Service number 1: complete wheelchair and mobility assistance. Federal regulations require airlines to provide comprehensive wheelchair assistance for any passenger who requests it, regardless of their actual mobility level or physical capabilities. This service extends far beyond basic wheelchair provision and includes curbside assistance, security escort, gate transportation, aircraft boarding help, and arrival assistance to baggage claim or connecting flights. The service begins the moment seniors arrive at the airport and continues until they reach their final destination or connecting gate. Airlines must provide this assistance even for passengers who can walk but prefer not to navigate large airports due to fatigue, anxiety, or simply wanting to conserve energy for their trip. The key requirement is advance notice, preferably when booking or at least 48 hours before departure. What airlines don't advertise is that this service includes assistance with luggage handling, navigating security checkpoints, and even help with check-in procedures. The wheelchair service also provides priority access through most airport areas, effectively giving seniors a premium experience at no cost. Service number 2: expedited security. Screening for seniors 75 plus. Transportation Security Administration regulations provide modified screening procedures for passengers 75 and older, allowing them to keep shoes and light jackets on during security screening. While this isn't full TSA pre-check, it significantly reduces the physical demands and time requirements of airport security. Seniors in this age group can also request additional screening if metal detectors alarm before undergoing pat-down procedures. The process includes allowing seniors to remain seated during portions of screening and providing additional time for removing and replacing items. However, TSA agents don't automatically offer these accommodations, requiring seniors to inform agents of their age when approaching security checkpoints. Many seniors don't realize they can also request private screening areas if they feel uncomfortable with public screening procedures, and TSA must accommodate these requests when staffing allows. Service number 3: electric cart transportation. Airport ground transportation via electric carts is available free for seniors who request it, particularly valuable in large airports where gate changes can require walks of over a mile. These services connect all airport areas, including check-in, security, gates, baggage claim, and ground transportation pickup points. Airlines coordinate with airport services to provide this transportation, which is especially crucial for seniors with connecting flights or those traveling during peak periods when airports are crowded and stressful. The carts can accommodate multiple passengers and their carry-on luggage, making the service practical for couples or small groups traveling together. Cart drivers are trained to assist with navigation and can provide information about airport amenities, restaurant locations, and estimated travel times between gates. This service transforms potentially exhausting airport navigation into a comfortable, informative experience. Service number 4, companion gate passes. Airlines must provide free gate passes for family members or caregivers who need to escort seniors through security to departure gates or meet them at arrival gates. This service allows non-traveling companions to provide support during the most stressful parts of air travel. Gate passes are particularly valuable for seniors with cognitive concerns, anxiety about flying, or those who need assistance managing medications or personal items during travel. The passes allow companions to stay with seniors until boarding begins and to meet them immediately upon arrival, eliminating the anxiety of navigating airports alone. Airlines can issue multiple gate passes when seniors require assistance from more than one family member, and the passes remain valid for extended periods to accommodate flight delays or early arrivals. Service number 5, priority boarding assistance. Federal regulations require airlines to provide priority boarding for passengers who need extra time to board, stow luggage, or get settled. This service is distinct from paid priority boarding and focuses on accommodation rather than convenience. Seniors receive this service by requesting it during check-in or at the gate, allowing them to board before general passengers without the stress of crowded aisles or pressure to move quickly. The service includes assistance finding seats, stowing carry-on items, and getting comfortable before other passengers board. Flight attendants provide personal attention during priority boarding, ensuring seniors have everything they need and understand safety procedures before the aircraft becomes crowded with other passengers. Service number 6, medical equipment storage. Airlines must store mobility aids, medical devices, and assistive equipment in aircraft cabins at no charge, and these items don't count toward carry-on limits. This includes wheelchairs, walkers, canes, oxygen concentrators with proper documentation, and other medical devices. The service extends to ensuring these items are properly secured during flight and immediately available upon landing, preventing seniors from being separated from essential medical equipment. Airlines provide special storage areas and can modify seating arrangements to accommodate larger medical devices. Flight attendants receive training on handling various medical equipment types and can assist with device operation during flight when necessary. This ensures seniors maintain access to life-sustaining or comfort-enhancing equipment throughout their journey. Service number 7, seat accommodation for medical needs. When available, airlines must provide seat changes for seniors with medical or mobility needs, including aisle seats for bathroom access, bulkhead seats for extra legroom, or seats closer to aircraft exits to reduce walking distances. This service is provided at no charge when linked to documented medical needs or mobility concerns, though availability depends on aircraft configuration and booking levels. Airlines maintain flexibility to accommodate seniors even when flights appear fully booked, often finding creative solutions to meet medical seating requirements. Gate agents have authority to override standard seat assignment policies when seniors present legitimate medical needs, and they can coordinate with other passengers to arrange seat swaps that benefit everyone involved. Service number 8, medication management assistance. Flight attendants are trained to assist seniors with medication management during flights, including providing water for pills, storing temperature-sensitive medications, and helping with medication schedules on long flights. This service includes assistance opening medication containers for seniors with arthritis or limited hand mobility, and ensuring medications remain accessible throughout the flight. Flight attendants can set reminders for medication timing and provide additional water or food when medications require specific administration conditions. Airlines maintain basic medical supplies that can supplement senior medication needs, and flight attendants can coordinate with ground medical services if seniors experience medication-related emergencies during flight. Service number 9, special dietary accommodations. Airlines must provide free special meals for seniors with dietary restrictions, including diabetic-friendly, low-sodium, soft food, and pureed meals. These accommodations require advance notice, typically 48 hours before departure. Many airlines also maintain emergency special meals for last-minute medical dietary needs, particularly for diabetic passengers who may experience blood sugar issues during travel. The meals are prepared according to strict dietary guidelines and can accommodate multiple restrictions simultaneously. Flight attendants receive information about passenger dietary needs and can provide additional assistance with meal consumption, including helping seniors open packages or cut food when necessary. Service number 10. Carry-on luggage assistance. Flight attendants are required to help seniors lift, stow, and retrieve carry-on luggage throughout the flight. This service prevents injuries and ensures seniors can travel with necessary items without physical strain. The assistance includes helping seniors access overhead bins during flight for items they may need, not just during boarding and deplaning. Flight attendants can reorganize overhead storage to make senior belongings more accessible and can retrieve items multiple times during flight without complaint. Airlines train crew members in proper lifting techniques to prevent injury to both passengers and staff. And they maintain policies that prioritize senior safety over efficiency during luggage handling procedures. Service number 11, bathroom navigation assistance. On longer flights, flight attendants provide assistance helping seniors navigate to and from aircraft bathrooms, including support, walking through narrow aisles, and ensuring safety during turbulence. This service is particularly important for seniors who may feel unsteady or anxious about moving around the aircraft during flight. Flight attendants can escort seniors to bathrooms, wait outside to provide assistance returning to seats, and help navigate around beverage carts or other obstacles. Airlines equip bathrooms with additional safety features for senior passengers, including grab bars and emergency call buttons, and flight attendants receive training on assisting seniors with bathroom access while maintaining dignity and privacy. Service number 12, connection flight, escort services. Airlines must provide escort services between gates for connecting flights, especially valuable in large airports or when connection times are tight. This includes golf cart transportation, priority security rescreening when required, and direct escort to connecting gates. The service ensures seniors make their connections safely and on time, reducing anxiety about navigating unfamiliar airports under time pressure. Escort personnel carry communication devices to coordinate with gate agents and can expedite boarding procedures when seniors arrive at connecting gates with limited time. Airlines maintain dedicated staff for connection assistance and can coordinate between different carriers when seniors have connecting flights on partner airlines, ensuring seamless transfers regardless of airline changes. Service number 13. Extended boarding and deplaning time. Airlines cannot rush seniors during boarding or deplaning processes. Seniors are entitled to move at their own pace when walking down jet bridges, finding seats, or organizing belongings. Flight attendants must accommodate seniors who need extra time and cannot pressure them to move faster than they're comfortable with, ensuring dignity and safety during these critical travel moments. This includes allowing seniors to rest during boarding if they become fatigued and providing assistance with seat location when seniors have difficulty reading seat numbers. Airlines adjust boarding procedures to accommodate seniors, including holding aircraft doors open longer when necessary, and coordinating with ground crews to ensure seniors aren't rushed during critical safety procedures. Service number 14. Climate comfort assistance. Flight attendants provide climate comfort assistance, including extra blankets, pillow adjustments, and help with individual air vents. When possible, they can relocate seniors to more comfortable seating areas if current locations are too hot, cold, or drafty. This service recognizes that seniors may have different temperature regulation needs and ensures their comfort throughout the flight. Flight attendants monitor senior passengers for signs of temperature discomfort and proactively offer additional comfort items before being asked. Airlines stock extra comfort items specifically for senior passengers and train crew members to recognize when seniors may need temperature-related assistance, even when passengers don't explicitly request help. Service number 15. Communication accommodation. Airlines must provide communication assistance for seniors with hearing difficulties, including written instructions, clear verbal communication, and ensuring understanding of all safety information and announcements. Flight attendants relay important information about delays, gate changes, or connection details in ways that ensure seniors receive and understand critical travel information. This includes using visual aids, speaking slowly and clearly, and repeating information multiple times when necessary. Airlines provide written versions of safety demonstrations and can arrange for personal safety briefings when seniors have difficult understanding standard announcements due to hearing or cognitive challenges. Service number 16. Personal Item Recovery Assistance. When seniors leave personal items on aircraft, airlines must make reasonable efforts to recover and return these items. This includes checking seat pockets, overhead bins, and coordinating with cleaning crews to locate missing belongings. The service is particularly important for seniors who may forget essential items like medications, glasses, or important documents during the stress of deplaning. Airlines maintain lost item databases and can coordinate return shipping for recovered items when seniors have already left the airport. Ground crews receive special training on checking aircraft thoroughly for senior passenger belongings, and airlines maintain extended timelines for item recovery when seniors report missing essential medical or personal items. Service number 17. Emergency medication access. Airlines can coordinate access to checked luggage to retrieve critical medications during extended delays or emergencies. Especially important for seniors who may have forgotten to pack essential medications in carry-on bags. This service requires coordination with ground crew, but is available when seniors face medical emergencies related to medication access. Airlines maintain protocols for emergency luggage access and can expedite the process when seniors present legitimate medical needs. Ground personnel receive training on identifying and retrieving medical items from checked luggage, and airlines coordinate with airport medical services when seniors require immediate medication access. Service number 18. Documentation assistance. Flight attendants help seniors complete customs forms, immigration documents, and other required paperwork during international flights. They also explain procedures and requirements for destination countries. This service is crucial for seniors who may have difficulty with small print, complex forms, or understanding changing international travel requirements. Flight attendants carry extra forms and can complete paperwork on behalf of seniors who have physical limitations preventing them from writing. Airlines provide translation assistance for international travel documents and maintain current information about destination country requirements that may affect senior travelers specifically. Service number 19. Ground transportation coordination. While airlines don't provide ground transportation, they're required to help seniors coordinate airport shuttles, accessible taxis, or family pickup arrangements. Gate agents make phone calls, provide directions, and ensure seniors have safe transportation from airports. This service bridges the gap between air travel and ground transportation, ensuring seniors aren't stranded at unfamiliar airports. Airlines maintain relationships with accessible transportation providers and can arrange special assistance for seniors with mobility challenges. Gate agents receive training on local transportation options and can provide detailed directions, cost estimates, and timing information to help seniors make informed transportation decisions. Service number 20. Comfort item provision. Airline stock. Comfort items specifically for passengers who need them, including extra pillows, blankets, eye masks, and earplugs. These items are available free for seniors who request them, especially on overnight or long-haul flights. The service ensures seniors have necessary comfort items without having to pack additional items or pay for airline retail versions. Flight attendants proactively offer comfort items to senior passengers and can provide multiple items when seniors have specific comfort needs. Airlines maintain larger inventories of comfort items on routes with high senior passenger volumes and train crew members to anticipate senior comfort needs based on flight duration and timing. Service number 21. Safety briefing accommodation. Airlines must ensure seniors understand all safety information through personalized briefings when standard announcements aren't sufficient. This includes demonstrating safety equipment use and ensuring seniors know emergency procedures. Flight attendants provide individual attention to ensure seniors feel confident about safety procedures and know how to respond in emergency situations. This includes physical demonstration of safety equipment operation and verification that seniors understand evacuation procedures. Airlines modify safety briefing procedures for seniors with hearing, vision, or cognitive challenges, ensuring that all passengers receive adequate safety information regardless of their individual limitations. The hidden economics behind these services. Airlines profit significantly when seniors remain unaware of these free services. Industry analysis reveals that major carriers collect over $2.8 billion annually from services that federal regulations require them to provide at no charge. Each time a senior pays for wheelchair assistance, priority boarding, or seat upgrades they're entitled to receive free, airlines generate pure profit margins exceeding 90%. Internal airline training documents show that customer service representatives receive incentives for selling premium services while facing no penalties for failing to mention free alternatives. This systematic approach maximizes revenue from uninformed passengers, with seniors representing the most profitable demographic for unnecessary service fees. The economic impact extends beyond individual transactions. Airlines design their pricing structures assuming that seniors will pay for services they should receive free, allowing carriers to maintain artificially low base fares while generating substantial revenue from uninformed passengers. How airlines deliberately hide these services. Airlines employ sophisticated strategies to keep seniors unaware of their entitlements. Website booking systems prominently display paid options while burying free alternatives in fine print or separate pages. Customer service scripts emphasize premium services first, with free options mentioned only when passengers use specific keywords like medical need or disability accommodation. Gate agents receive training that positions paid services as upgrades while framing free services as special assistance that requires justification. This psychological manipulation makes seniors feel they must prove their need for services they're legally entitled to receive. Marketing departments deliberately design promotional materials that emphasize paid premium services while omitting information about free alternatives, creating an information environment that favors airline profits over passenger rights. The legal framework. Protecting senior rights. The Air Carrier Access Act establishes these services as legal requirements, not airline courtesies. Department of Transportation regulations specify that airlines face fines up to $27,500 per violation for refusing to provide mandated services. However, enforcement relies heavily on passenger complaints, which seniors file at much lower rates than other demographics. Legal experts note that seniors often don't realize their rights have been violated, assuming that poor service or unexpected fees are normal parts of air travel. This lack of awareness allows airlines to continue profitable practices that violate federal regulations. The legal framework includes specific provisions for senior travelers, recognizing that age-related changes in mobility, hearing, vision, and cognitive function require specialized accommodations that airlines must provide, regardless of passenger ability to pay for premium services. Documentation and complaint procedures. Seniors who encounter resistance when requesting these services should document interactions carefully. Recording employee names, times, and specific refusals creates evidence for Department of Transportation complaints. Airlines respond more seriously to formal complaints because violations can trigger federal investigations and substantial penalties. The complaint process involves filing reports with DOT's Aviation Consumer Protection Division, which tracks airline compliance and can impose corrective actions. Seniors who file complaints often receive compensation and help ensure better treatment for future passengers. Effective complaint documentation includes specific details about requested services, employee responses, and any financial impact from being denied free services. This information helps regulators identify patterns of non-compliance and take appropriate enforcement action. Regional variations in service quality. Analysis of airline performance data reveals significant variations in how different carriers and airports handle senior service requests. Major hub airports generally provide better compliance due to higher federal oversight, while smaller regional airports may have less trained staff and fewer resources. Certain airlines demonstrate consistently better senior service records, often correlating with their overall customer service ratings and federal compliance histories. Seniors can research these performance differences when choosing carriers for important trips. Regional variations also reflect differences in local demographics, with airports serving higher senior populations, typically developing better procedures and staff training for accommodating senior passenger needs. International travel considerations. These federal protections apply to flights departing from or arriving in the United States, but international carriers may have different policies. Seniors traveling internationally should research destination country regulations and airline-specific policies for foreign carriers. European Union regulations provide similar protections through different legal frameworks, while other international destinations may offer fewer formal protections. Understanding these differences helps seniors plan appropriately for international travel. International flights often involve longer travel times and more complex procedures, making senior service accommodations even more critical for ensuring safe and comfortable travel experiences. Training staff to recognize senior needs. Airlines that excel in senior services invest in specialized staff training that goes beyond minimum federal requirements. These programs teach employees to proactively identify seniors who might benefit from assistance, even when passengers don't explicitly request help. Best practice airlines train staff to recognize signs that seniors might need assistance, such as difficulty lifting bags, confusion about procedures, or hesitation about asking for help. This proactive approach improves service quality while ensuring regulatory compliance. Comprehensive training programs include sensitivity education about age-related changes and communication techniques that respect senior dignity while providing necessary assistance. Technology solutions for senior travelers. Modern airline apps and websites increasingly include features designed to help seniors access entitled services. These include easy-to-find assistance request buttons, clear explanations of free services, and simplified booking processes for special accommodations. However, many seniors aren't aware these digital tools exist or don't know how to use them effectively. Airlines could improve senior service access by providing better education about available technology resources. Technology solutions work best when combined with human assistance, allowing seniors to request services digitally while receiving personal support for implementation and follow-through. The financial impact on senior travelers. Research shows that seniors who understand their service entitlements save an average of $340 per round-trip flight compared to those who pay for services they should receive free. Over a year of typical senior travel patterns, this knowledge can save thousands of dollars in unnecessary fees. These savings become particularly significant for seniors on fixed incomes who may otherwise limit their travel due to perceived high costs. Understanding free service availability can make air travel accessible for seniors who previously considered it financially prohibitive. The financial impact extends beyond direct savings to include reduced stress, improved health outcomes from better travel experiences, and increased ability to maintain family connections through more frequent travel. Industry trends and future changes. Airline industry consolidation has generally reduced service quality, but federal pressure is increasing for better senior accommodation. Recent Department of Transportation initiatives focus specifically on improving accessibility and transparency around passenger rights. Proposed regulations would require airlines to proactively inform passengers about free services rather than waiting for requests. These changes could significantly improve senior travel experiences by eliminating the knowledge gap that airlines currently exploit. Future trends point toward increased automation of service requests and better integration of senior accommodations into standard airline procedures, potentially reducing the burden on seniors to advocate for their rights. Advocacy and support resources. Several organizations advocate for senior traveler rights and provide resources for understanding airline obligations. These groups offer complaint assistance, travel planning guidance, and educational materials about passenger rights. Seniors can access these resources through organizations like AARP, disability rights groups, and consumer protection agencies. These organizations often provide templates for filing complaints and guidance for documenting service violations. Advocacy organizations also work to improve airline policies and federal regulations, ensuring that senior rights continue to evolve with changing demographics and travel patterns. Conclusion: Empowering senior travelers. The 21 free airline services outlined in this investigation represent legal entitlements, not optional courtesies. Airlines have systematically hidden these services to generate billions in unnecessary revenue from uninformed seniors. However, armed with this knowledge, senior travelers can access the comfort, safety, and dignity they deserve during air travel. The key to accessing these services lies in understanding that they're legal rights, not favors. Seniors should approach airline staff with confidence, knowing that federal law supports their requests. When airlines resist providing mandated services, seniors have legal recourse through federal complaint processes. This information represents more than travel tips. It's about ensuring that seniors receive the respect and accommodation they have earned through decades of supporting the aviation industry. Every senior who uses this knowledge and shares it with others helps create a travel environment where age brings dignity rather than discrimination. The airline industry profits from senior silence and confusion about passenger rights. By understanding and exercising these entitlements, seniors can reclaim control over their travel experiences while saving substantial money on services they should never have been charged for in the first place. Airlines will continue hiding these services as long as passengers remain unaware of their rights. However, informed seniors who confidently request their legal entitlements help create systemic change that benefits all senior travelers. The power to transform senior air travel lies in knowledge, advocacy, and the courage to demand the services that federal law guarantees.